unknown destination and we're gonna ride a train. And we don't know when the train will come and when the train will stop. So it's an unknown destination. Stay tuned. This is the train ticket to go from Dhaka to Purada, and the train will come right here. We're waiting for the train and I'm so excited. The train will stop at Purada Railway Junction and we're gonna go to Jagsi, but this train will not stop at Jagsi. But you can see how it looks like from the train and see the Jagati station. So come on guys, let's wait for the train. We have arrived at Purada station. So come on guys, let's go. Bye bye train. I feel very, very, very good. See you later. This is Purada Railway Junction. For all of you guys, this is not a station, this is a junction. I'm just gonna sit here for a few minutes because I'm tired. Me and my dad are walking around the station. Now we're at the platform. I'm just gonna drink some water first. Let's go in. Come on guys. I'm feeling a little bit hungry. So let's find a perfect place to eat. Wow, this is so yummy. So bye bye guys. See you guys later. Bye.